Founded on a great idea, hatched by founder Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon became a Fortune 500 top 10 lister for the first time in 2018. By the time 2022 rolled around, Amazon had a value of approximately $1.1 trillion, a brand value of $350 billion, 300 million active users, and more than 200 million subscribers to Amazon Prime globally. A meteoric rise by any standard. One wonders, what was their approach to strategy? In an era where other corporations were ensconced in cost reduction and restructuring, Jeff Bezos and his senior strategy team, the Yes Team, were doing the opposite. Their guiding principles were, and still are, customer obsession rather than competitor focus, a passion for invention, a relentless pursuit of operational excellence, and a philosophy of long-term thinking. Embracing complexity and thriving on uncertainty, the Yes Team's strategy practices are consistent with the systemic and highly advanced cognitive characteristics of third-wave strategy. Explained in the books, Corporate Strategy Remastered 1 and 2, an example is the core component of long-term strategy, the strategic architecture. The strategic architecture consists of a resource set, made up of strategic assets and core competences. Each of these resources are maintained and renewed via a suite of enabling transforming activities. The opposite of these inside-out resources are the outside-in, market-oriented customer-focused market positions. Each of these are in turn strategically linked to the activities undertaken to optimize customer satisfaction in the corporation's chosen markets. Each of Amazon's guiding principles are readily reflected in the strategic architecture, but these are only the foundational elements of third-wave strategy. The overriding feature of Amazon's strategy is its integrated nature. Amazon has deployed Amazon Prime to break down the natural boundaries of a strategic architecture. Referred to as an integrated value system, it is made up of an outside-in, dynamic market system, and an inside-out core competence platform. There are many other tools and techniques that make up the concept of third-wave strategy so well demonstrated by Amazon and depicted in the Corporate Strategy Remastered books. To help you to implement the concept into your organization, Paul Hunter Strategy and Leadership has established a simulation tool we refer to as the Chief Strategy Officer (CSO) Sandbox. Details can be found at csosandbox.com.